Sahil left it in a small turning Delhi with his ailing mother and 15-year-old sisters Pushpas. After the death of Sahil's father, it seems on mountains of troubles had fallen upon Sahil. Sahil was very keen in studies, but after his father's death, he had to leave his studies midway to take care of the responsibilities of the house and his sick mother. He started working as a scraps dealer at the age of 10. One day, he went to his scraps owner says not and spoke to him.
Master, you gave me a good price for the scrap that I gave you yesterday. And I also want full money for the scrap that I brought today.
You are talking as if you have added all the accounts of junk.
I have added the accounts. That's why I am asking you for full money for my junk.
You also know how to read and write.
Sir, I am very fond of studies. My father wanted me to study a lot in my life and one day become a big man or a big officer and bring glory to him. But after my father left, my studies were replaced by responsibilities at home.
You are right, son. We poor people can do only one thing, either study or work.
But master, I want to do both.
Seeing this, Sahil was out to buy scrap and start buying scraps by visiting people's house. After going some distance, Sahil stops in front of big house and see that a big tall man has come out of his house. As soon as he come out of the house, everyone standing nearby started saluting him.
This man seems to be a big officer. That's why everyone is saluting him, namaste and folding their hands before him, bowing their heads. What is written on his uniform?
Seeing this, Sahil starts reading what is named the officers of uniforms with a sparkling voice.
It is written IPS officer.
IPS officer starts by is watching Sahil from a distance and as soon as starts leave from there in the cars, starts wife Sumita call Sahil to her.
Well, I'm seeing you watching my husband. What's the matter? Well, ma'am, my father also wanted me to become a big officer. That's why I was staring at him. Well, ma'am, what is an IPS officer? Wow, a scrap dealer also knows how to read. By the way, what is your name?
The guard standing nearby tells Sumita.
Mistress, don't fall in love with these small people. Just look at their words. This scrap dealer wants to become a big officer.
Guard bhaiya, first of all, no person is small or big. Rather, we all have small thoughts. So be careful from now on that you will never say such things to anyone again. By the way, son, when you know how to read and write, then why do you do this junk work? At this age, children should not work but study in school. My name is Sahil, ma'am. After my father's death, my mother fell ill. I have a sister at home who is only 15 years old. But my mother has already started worrying about her marriage. Due to all these responsibilities, I had to leave the school and do scrap work. My eyes filled with tears after hearing your sad words. Son, if you really want to become a big officer, then you will definitely become one. But for that, studying is very important. So, I will tell my husband to get you admitted in a good school. And you should not worry about the fees at all. When you grow up, when you become an officer, I will recover it from you. You can do your junk work after school and also study when you get time. Sahil, son, we have to lose something to gain something in life. Therefore, if you really want to create something, then you will have to lose your childhood for it. You will have to work hard day and night and study with full dedication. Will you be able to do all this? Yes, ma'am. I will definitely do it.
Smita sees to spark is Sahil eyes due to something is she help him in every way. First of all, she gets Sahil admitted in a good schools and her sisters work in her house. That Sahil is not worried about his young sisters. He went to studies and work very hard. He would go to school in the morning and at night. Whenever got times, he would sit down to study. Sahil topped in class and Smita was very happy.
Wow, Sahil, today you have made me proud. Just keep working hard like this. further studies are not easy. You will have to roll a lot of pappers and you should be ready for all of them.
Sahil introduced his mother standing nearby to Smita. Sahil's mother tells Smita ji.
You have been very kind to us, mistress. Whatever my child is today is because of you. Even the fact that I am standing safely in front of you today is also due to your kindness. Please don't embarrass me by speaking like this. By the way, this is all a miracle of your son, Sahil. Now along with college, you will also have to study to become an officer. Therefore, you should leave the scrap work now so that you can study well.
No, ma'am. I cannot leave the scrap work. With this work, I'm able to meet my household expenses and education expenses. From now on, I will do more work so that I can get on the track of becoming an officer.
I am very happy today. So today, we all will go to a good restaurant to eat and mother will also come with us.
Eat in the restaurant? But ma'am...
Hey, don't worry about money. Anyways, when you will become officer, I will recover everything from you.
Then Smita's take child and his mother to eat in a big restaurant. When manager on the restaurant, he Sahil's old clothes and says,
Hey, there is no place for junk furniture like you in this restaurant. So it would be better if you leave from here. Brother, we have money. So how can you throw us out of the restaurant like this? You scoundrel will not agree like this. Get out, else I will push you and your mother.
Manager sir, how are you saying this and both of them are with me? So please talk properly.
Manager, today you did not do well by insulting me and my mother. But a time will come when you will also salute me with a bowed head.
Seeing this, Sahil come out of Mother and Smita. Sahil go to coaching centers of admissions to study to become in IPS officers. As soon as people they come to know that Sahil is a scrapper stealers, they all make fun of Sahil's push him out of days.
Is it crime to do scrap work? These people pushed me out. Well, whatever happens, now I don't have to accept defeat.
Seeing this, Sahil start cleaning work in a coaching centers to study for IPS officer. He weekly finish his work and stand up back of class and seeing sir teaching all the other children. He also standing in the corners and learn everything. Sahil would study along with clean in the coaching centers in the morning, and during the day he would go door to door collecting junk and do scraps work so that he could fulfill all the need of himself and his family, put the money he owned and also work hard all night. He used to study, and at least one day the scrap stealer left feed off when he passed IPS exams. When Sahil came to know that he had top IPS exams, it was has ground has the tree farm under his feet. Smita's and his mother was very happy. Dressed in his IPS uniforms, his mother's and Smita's come to the same restaurant where Sahil was. Insults be calling him youngs on his hands. As soon as the manager sees the IPS officers in his restaurant and saluted.
It seems that the manager could not recognize the scrap furniture. Hey, you are the same person whom I had asked to get out of the restaurant a few days ago. But today, I could not even recognize you in this IPS uniform. I'm really sorry for my mistake.
The manager realized his mistake that he can apologize to Sahil and his mother.
One's ability cannot be judged from the work or clothes. That is why no person should be considered small or weak, because it does not take long for the times to change.